ingozi abesathi don't take this, right? But the tricky part ke la, so you need to be disciplined. That's point number one. You need to be disciplined. Number one, i-trainer yakho njalo ekuseni ingena emotweni uyagijima wena because ubamba istamina. Ubamba ukusuka la eDurban eMaritzburg usuka eDurban eMaritzburg ubuye la. And then i-trainer yakho lokhu, but every now and again ikutshela ukuthi don't take ama-fizzy drinks. Drink water. But listen carefully. Angeke kwenzeke ukuthi musu ugijima ungazitholi lezi zinto la endleleni.
Yeah. Zikhona.
Now, sekufuna ube discipline. Because one, uzobathola bomama baphethe ama-ice blocks. Uzobathola abantu abaphethe ama-fizzy drinks. Uzobathola abantu abaphethe ama-energy drinks. Zonke lezi zizothwala endleleni uma usugijima manje.
Yes.
Uyabo? But ucoach wakho, trainer yakho ithe don't take fizzy drinks. Drink water. Now, akusho ukuthi ngeke usithole lezi zinto la endleleni. Now, sesifika manje la khona ukuthi you need to be disciplined for yourself, for your life, for your goals. You need to be disciplined. Because uma ungekho discipline ngeke ukwazi ukufika. Because uzothona i-coach yami isele le emotweni. Yabona? And then uhlangana labo mama baphethe ama-juice, uyathatha ama-juice. Uyagijima uphethe ama-coke, bathethe ama-orange, Fanta, uya understand. Lezi zinto ziyabuya ziba against your energy. Awusafiki eMaritzburg because you're not disciplined. So uba discipline izinto zikhona. Ngivama ukuthi abantu ababhemayo ungababalekela abantu ababhemayo. Uma ufuna ukuye kugwayi ungababalekela abantu ababhemayo.
Yeah.
Hlala nabo. Take a decision. Whether liyangisimela kamnandi or what, you took a decision. So I'm not going to smoke again. Ngoba uma ubabalekela, the day uyohlangana nabo uyoqhubeka.
Yeah.
Uyoqhubeka. So every time you need to be disciplined. Akusho ukuthi azikho izinto. Umfowethu ukhulume kahle ukuthi udoctor wathi angazayiphuza. But manje ngeke yomnandi bayo wazama ukuphuza amanye ama-drinks waphuza remember all this thing it's here. Remember this is a brand. Kuze kube namhlanje isamakethwa ku television i-brand. Ungathatha ibhodlela, ungathatha le bhodlela unikeze ngani uthi hamba uthenga i-cold drink izobuya ne-coke. Uthi nje hamba uthenga i-cold drink, ungamtshela ukuthi athenge ini or istone ini. Uthi nje hamba uthenga i-cold drink kuthi makavula ifridge uthatha le.
Yeah.
Because i-brand. Yabo? So you need to be disciplined in life. Discipline.